Czy masz odwagę powiedzieć żonom i stałem tam, gdzie stało domo?
Guys, and a really hard day, and we'll make some short fast food diet. Just two for you, with a chicken burger and a small French fries. But the French fries, really good. And with some new peanut butter shake. Nice, but I prefer the strawberry. Very common French fries from Mcdonald. Oh God, what a disaster! Everything fell out. But we'll try it. That's just a small chicken burger, so you can see it's really small, and we have a bread common for a cheeseburger. This is not a premium maestro style bread, but that's only a cheeseburger style bread. But we have some one piece of chicken, a little salad, and a spicy sauce. It's called spicy chicken burger, but it's called chicken burger, but I would call it spicy chicken burger. And some French fries. Let's see. Not very common, something special. Very nice taste. But what I can tell you about that burger and why I didn't eat the bigger burger as I prefer, it's only one thing. That I've eaten some other lunch before, and that's the reason I've only tried something smaller. But I love that French fries from McDonald's. That's a small snack. It's called two for you with a chicken burger. But it's really nice. Just if you want to eat something really fast, you don't have a time, or you don't want some bigger burger, something for fast, really nice. You will love it. So enjoy it and look in your own McDonald's for two for you meals. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.
Ty co kobiety chciałbyś zniewolić, pozbawić chciałbyś niewolnej woli. Rządzie biskupie, do was to mówię, wstydzi się was dziś kraj.